Welcome to PNK Stocks YouTube channel. In this channel, you will be getting quality strategies for free that are sold in the market. Please do watch all the videos. Welcome to PNK Stocks. Let us look into the new strategy which is more powerful, almost like will give you momentum signals. Now it's tough to catch tops and bottoms, but this indicator gives the leverage to get the bottom buy and top sell kind of a situation. Bottom buy and top sell. This is the VWAP indicator which we'll be discussing. All right, let us start the strategy. This strategy works from 1 minute to 1 month. So this all strategy works for all time frames. 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 13 minutes for intraday, and 60 minutes, 2 hours for swing trading, and 1 day for positional, and weekly for investing for monthly as well. Let us now look into the strategy how we need to work. So now let me remove the indicators that what we plotted and we'll add so that you'll be understanding what is the exact stuff. Go to the indicators section, just type VWAP Z-Score. VWAP Z-Score signals. This is the indicator that we need to plot, right? You got this indicator in your chart. Now just go here and do some small settings, not much. 2.5 here, take out that 0.5. Again 2.5, take out the 0.5. Rest all keep it as it is. We are not doing any changes. This is the only change that we are doing, right? This VWAP stuff, maximum institutional investors use this indicator. All institutional investors work on VWAP, anchored VWAP, this VWAP Z-Score. All these are key indicators for them to trap the novice investors. See how beautifully it's giving short sell, then buy, short sell and buy. But to trap us, this indicator also gives false signals. For that, we'll be adding one more indicator to work along with these trades. As this indicator is giving some kind of a buy and some kind of a sell signals, ignore them. You can even take out that from the indicator list. Only thing you need to see, either the indicator line touches there are two lines, right, on the upper side, touches or get into the middle of that two lines band, then coming down, then you can take the short entry. Similarly, a indicator line coming into the bottom two bands and getting inside or else touching the bottom band will also work. So hope you understand how the VWAP Z-Score will work. There are two bands. From bottom band, if started going up, that means it's a buy. From top band, it's coming down, means it's a sell. And there are few signals here, ignore them, right? That may be causing some kind of a false signals. Now let us see into how this will work. We'll be adding one more indicator called SMM. This is called smooth moving average. Just click once, you will be getting the indicator with you in your chart. just make bit thicker and input make it 7 to 8. 8 is the Fibonacci number which will help you to run along with the price. So this 8 moving average works as a friend. If you are on the buy side, price is up, you can trail them. When it dips below to that, you can exit. Similarly, when on your short side, this line works as your friend. 8 mm smooth moving average works as a friend. When it gets up to the 8 mm line, then you can exit. So with only 8 mm we can work, but let us see this indicator as well, both. Right, we added both the indicators. SMM indicator, which is 8 moving average that we added, and we put this okay. And in the Z-score stuff, what we did in the input section, we taken off 2.5 to 2, we taken off minus 2.5 to 2. That is the only change we did. Now this works for all the securities, equities, futures and options. It will work for commodities, it work for currency, it works for any stuff. So you need to just understand how this strategy works. See, now we are taking 5 minutes time frame, we are in the Nifty. Any time you got the signal from this bottom line, it touched and moving up, touching in even few points up also will work. From bottom it's coming up, then you need to wait until one green candle closes above 8 mm, and then you can enter on top of it, and SL could be on bottom. See, if you catch some signals at the bottom, see how big a profit that you get. Now exit rule is this 8 SMM works as a trailing your stop loss. What you need to do, you need to see that if two red candles closes below to the 8 SMM, even one candle also fine, but two candles will be more on intraday perspective. For positional and all, you can wait for one candle, or else you can put a standard stuff as a two candles close, then you can exit. But see here, this candle not counted, it closed on the line. This is the first candle. Immediately price goes on above, and here you got an exit. So this is your profit. How good, the risk to reward. See here, from this to this risk, you got more than 1 is to 10 or 12. See, same thing, here, this part come on to the top band and coming down. So after this candle, you can enter from here. See how beautifully this 8 price is respected 8 mm, and then it come all the way here and closed here. So you got such a big profit here as well on the Nifty side. You can take any day, you can work. Could be, minimum you'll be getting 1 is to 2 kind of a risk to reward in this. Only stuff that you need to keep in mind that if price is touching on the moving line, moving average 8 mm, then you need not take a trade. Though here you didn't get any top and bottom. You got one signal here, you got some small profit here also. That too you got 1 is to 3 kind of a profit. See here beautifully, this you got sell signal here in VWAP stuff. You need to enter when it closes below, and SL on the top of it. See, price respected SMM, and then such a big profit you got. What you need to do when price coming down, if taken one low, one lower low, one lower high, price coming down, then this is your SL. Again, lower high, lower low, this is your SL. You need to trail in that way, or else you can work only rely on 8 SMM, and when the price goes up closing two candles above, you can exit. So you got such a big profit in this having small SL. Right, we'll take one script and we'll see how this will work. We take any one, Nifty 50 stocks. My suggestion, work Nifty 50 stocks. If you go mid caps and small caps, you'll be getting even bigger profit. But till you get some confidence and till you get some your profit and loss green, then work only on Nifty 50, where Even if you something goes wrong, you don't hurt hard. Take one stock, any stock. Asian Paints will take. This is the Diwali kind of a pick. Every time it will go up down on the Diwali time. See now, you got buy signal here. Though 8 SMM is not supporting, but price closed here. From here, see such a big profit, and immediately you got a sell signal here, but price is above 8 SMM. When it comes below here, this is your SL, you can grab this profit. Did you like this? Let us now see little higher time frame how this will work. We'll see on the 15 minutes time frame with the same script. So this is a 15-minute start now. From bottom it's going up. If it is touching doesn't matter. If it is going up and price is above 8 SMM, your entry is somewhere here and you can grab this profit up to here. This is your sell signal, it already touched. Only stuff that you need to wait, price should come and dip below to the 8 SMM. This is your entry, this is your SL, this is your profit. If SL is big, after entering, after 3 4 candles, price comes below, then bring your SL back to your next lower low and you can trail your stop loss based on this thing. The day is ended, so intraday you'll be exiting somewhere here. Hope you understand. We'll take another script. Let us take some banking. Endorse and bank. What happened to this script? Any stock split or something happened in this script. So that is the reason. See, you got sell signal here. Price is above. Your entry is here. You captured all this profit. Still, if you are in the trade, all this profit. You should have some kind of a candlestick pattern. See this bullish engulfing. Here also bullish engulfing, sorry, bearish engulfing. If you have that kind of a stuff also in your mind, it'll helpful for you. We'll take another stock and we'll take another time frame. We'll take Bajaj Finance stock and we'll go for 60 minutes time frame, which we work for swing trading, right? If you get such a bigger candle, better don't trade. You should have entry candle should be a bigger one, but not such kind of a big candle. See, you got a sell signal here. You need to wait to price come below and you need to put SL on top of it. See how beautiful you can make money. Here also from bottom it is going up. You may be buying here, putting SL somewhere here. You might have captured all this. My suggestion, work for 1 is to 2 initially. Even if you are very nervous kind of a candidate, buy 1 is to 1. See that every day you take some money to home so that you'll be getting confidence. Otherwise, if you hit 2 3 SLs, then probably the next trade will be challenging for you. Let us get on to the 1 day time frame and we'll take another script to have multiple stuff. We'll take ITC stock and see how this is working for daily time frame. We'll take from today till right. You got a buy signal here, sell signal here. In between, as price moved up and you got a good candle here, and then this green line also saying price will go up, you might enter here to be frank with you, you need to enter somewhere here. This is the candle you need to enter. And when you entered here, you put SL here and this might have hit SL. Again, if you feel you can enter based on this price somewhere here, or else you can leave this trade for that. And if you are working on options and futures, you can work on the downside as well. This is the entry point on downside, but price is above. You need to have one bigger red candle to have the bearish side. We have doji kind of a candles on the line. We should not take a trade. See this bigger red candle, you will be entering here. SL could be on top of it. You will be capturing all this on daily basis. And if you want to work on only buy side, see this trade. This trade started way back. Still the buy side is going on. We got multiple buy entries here, and we don't have any buy candle here. These two candles gone up, but it's become a doji and price come back. You should have some kind of a green candle or else some kind of a hammer candle. You might have entered here putting SL below. See how good you can trail your target. See this red candle, we should have two red candles to exit. We didn't find any two red candles, and only here that you will be exiting. See this bigger profit, such a big profit. So daily basis also this indicator gives better trades. Let us take one more trade, say TCS, one IT company will take and see that we worked on daily, we'll see on weekly. Right, weekly time frame, we are working on TCS. If you know some candlestick pattern, chart patterns will work even better, but you need to learn that to be. See such a three times touched at the bottom, then you can enter somewhere here on the bigger candle, put SL here, and wait for the price to close two candles. No, this is again doji not considered. This is again a hammer candle coming up. See the bigger wick on the bottom side. No, no, here we got last 2 weeks that we got an SL. You can grab this such a kind of a bigger profit. If you are working on options side, you got a sell entry here. This could be your entry somewhere, and putting SL on top of it. This could be hit your SL, or else you can have this profit on the downside. See on the top side, entry here on the bigger candle, SL below to this, and you have captured all this kind of a profit. Hope you understand this strategy. This strategy works very well. My suggestion, don't get into options, futures, commodities and all. Nifty 50 stocks is better for you. That to trade with very less quantity on one strategy. And if you master that strategy, see after mastering, if you have some kind of a candlestick pattern, chart pattern, that will help in a bigger way. Every dip, and when it is crossing above, you can enter. Dip crossing on top, you can enter. These three lines dipping, you can enter. Dipping, you can enter. Dipping, you can enter. This is called pullbacks. This pullbacks also you can work on this 8 SMMA. Along with this, even ignore VWAPs, this thing, if you master only on 8 just we add two indicators to have the extra confirmation, so that we can avoid some kind of a trades. That is the intention. Now based on this, if you enter here, price, the next candle itself, this is the SL. Next candle itself, it got hit the SL. But as a rule, what we do, we enter on one big green candle on top of it. We put SL below to that, so that we can capture this bigger profit. Right? Hope you understand this strategy. Work with backtesting for few almost nifty 50 stocks, and select some stocks which you feel is giving after entry, it's giving 25%, 30% or more for positional stuff I'm talking about. Take them and work with them. All Nifty 50 stocks, you'll be avoiding around 20 stocks out of Nifty 50. So you'll be having only 30 stocks that you'll be putting in your watch list and you're working. For intraday, suggested that there are around 12 to 15 videos we have in our channel on the stock selection basis. You can work with them, as it's tough for you to go and Google, check in my channel to get that stocks. Better go to the NSE India website and every day at 9:45 take this 10 stocks. This 5 stocks is for only buy purpose. This 5 stocks only for short sell purpose for intraday basis. That you'll be working 5 minutes, 15 minutes. Only these two time frames you'll be working. If you're working on indexes, this will work. Work on 3 minutes basis for indexes. If you are very strong to entry and exit, you can even work on 1 minute for bank nifty, especially because that moves are very fast. All right, then I'll come back with another video next time, next Saturday. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.